Yo, 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 yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S came out here with another reaction. Move! And today, guys, we're here with Vybz Kartel, Hostile, the music video. The song dropped already. I'm going to react to this song. So I'm basically reacting to the video now. So if you're not hearing me break down the words, go and check the actual audio when we react to. I break down some of the words and that, but I'm here for the music video to see what going on the music video. You see me? Alright, so we're gonna jump in on one and hear what the teacher has said or see what going on the visuals. I could start by reading this. Warning: we do not promote gang violence. Any weapons you use in these music videos are props and are not real. Alright, so if I tell you said the gun them in that video them are props. Alright, so government, don't pre the laughter. Anyway, let's jump in on and hear what the G that said. Let's go. So we just see a G outside them gate. Remember, I'm telling you the music video we are breaking, you know. We just see one G outside them gate, or outside one place, and you see a car pull up with a man show about a paper bag with some dollars in it. So that is probably money for a contract hit or something to take with somebody or something. You know, I think already. Badness in name.
Let's chat in on the phone, dog.
Let's chat in on the phone, dog. Oh, so that you would play a cartel like him in one prison cell, and he might talk to somebody on the phone and say, yo, let's chat in on the phone.
Let's chat in on the phone, dog.
Let's chat in on the phone, dog.
Killer them from Salt Spring, you hear that? Lift up something and forward. No?
Oh. Man, I'm lift up the thing them and now for forward.
Me and me friend them hostile. Shot back like a rat while
Bumbuckler, you them come for. Now! Go in that car. Now! Deaf! Then reach him quick though. The youth that hear him run off and cut. Me that cut too. What?
Yeah. Me and me friend them hostile. Shot back like a rat while on you like hot aisle. Solitarius love pop.
Bumbuckler, them running the next man too. Them running the next man too, you know.
Hostile, shot back like a rat while on you like hot aisle. Solitarius love pop style. Which I run and go drop.
Whoa, then give him gunshot. How would them come for? Which one them come for?
Shot enter your face, exit your head back and crack tile. Which I run and go drop. Shot enter your face, exit your head back and crack tile. Be a rifle.
So them kidnap one and kill one. So them to kill the witness. Them kill the witness then. Alright.
Run and go drop shot, enter your face, exit your head back and crack tile. Be a rifle flank a stockpile, yeah. And we head steaming like a hot wire, yeah. We no drop guard if he sharp like a cane man last year so him last file. If he full of shot when you go certain place, go mash the crime. Cities to which chop you up fine quicker than how you chop the line.
Bumbleclot!
Go mash the crime. Cities to which chop you up fine quicker than how you chop the line. You no make out a steal up Timot's prime. You no do fist fight and no first time. None your food lunchtime when we bust by.
Me can't go over that one day. Even though I watch the video, obviously the song I play, so me listen to the lyrics and see me. The man say, yo, we not do fist fight. And the first time, so the man I tell us, say, yo, on all time days we in a modern time now, a string up, a index finger play. You see me? Trigger finger play. When they pan all for fist fighting, no, and I call up Mike Tyson, I demand no. Badness.
You know do fist fight and no first time. None your food lunchtime when we bust by. Set him up like furniture when we just buy. Wet him up.
Set him up like furniture when we just buy. You don't know more time when you go to get the furniture, then you know say yo that is flat pack. So you have to go home, go use your Allen key and whatever you use and set up what you set up, you know? Yeah.
Your food lunchtime when we bust by. Set him up like furniture when we just buy. Wet him up. A matin with the pump dry. No pussy test. I owe your pussy. No pussy test. I owe you.
Hold on there, man. Hold on there, man.
Cities
hold on there, man.
Be a rifle flank a stockpile, yeah. And we head steaming like a hot wire, yeah. We no drop guard if he sharp like a cane man last year so him last file. If he full of shot when you go certain place, go mash the crime. match the crime. Cities will chop you up fine quicker than how you chop the line. You no make out a steal Optimus Prime. You no do fist fight and no first time. None your food, lunchtime when we bust by. Set him up like furniture when me just buy with him.
So obviously them hold him now and them have him in a one little abandoned little place like they know say him not come out of that in a brother.
A matin with the pump drive. No pussy test. I owe your pussy. No pussy test. I owe your pussy. No pussy test. I owe your pussy. No pussy test. Some chat to my pussy. No pussy test. Hey, you're a bad man. No pussy test. Hey, you're a bad man. No pussy test. Hey, you're a bad man. No pussy test. Hey, me and me friend.
Yo, big up the editor them and the director them behind this video. Big up yourself. Big up on yourself. Production team behind it. Big up on yourself.
Bad man, no pussy test. Hey, you're bad man, no pussy test. Hey, me and me friend them brutal. Skull hotter than the pot where the yaki cook. Gun to me waist if you make me pop it off like that.
Me and my friend them brutal. Skull hotter than the pot where the yaki cook. If you gun to me waist, if you make me pop it off like dolly foot. You hear that?
Skull hotter than the pot where the yaki cook. Gun to me waist if you make me pop it off like dolly foot. Head a open up like pocketbook. Doc say you cut last killing him not a feel look. That's how the century you got do. When you're back against the wall where you da do. Hear the key to the 16, me not afraid of you. Cut it then. So guys have bad behavior do. We no back down. Feds call back up. Your ends get fucked like when y'all cock up.
Just don't murder the target, swing cross or okay. So basically, the person will call them at first and give them the job for do. You don't see them get the money from through the car window. We don't see a owner of the car, but we know say him get a bag of money. So them mash up the witness and then them forward us now and do the dirt on this man, you know, and then him make the person know say yo. You see me, mission accomplished, no?
Feds call back up, your ends get fucked like when y'all cock up. Bout your chat up, so you get shot up. Me gun them stack up and we shot them pack up. You know do fist fight and no first time. None your food, lunchtime when we bust by. Set him up like for cock up. Bout your chat up, so you get shot up. Me gun them stack up and we shot them pack up. You know do fist fight and no first time. None your food, lunchtime when we bust by. Set him up like furniture when me just buy. Wet him up. A matin with the pump drive. No pussy test. I owe your pussy. No pussy test. I owe your pussy. No pussy test. I owe your pussy. No pussy test. Some chat to my pussy. No pussy test. Hey, you're a bad man. No pussy test. Hey, you're a bad man. No pussy test. Hey, you're a bad man. No pussy test. Hey, hey. Screw ya, screw. Shoot me, shoot. Ooh, your boy. Screw ya, screw. Shoot me, shoot. Ooh, your boy. Screw ya, screw. Shoot me, shoot. Ooh, your boy. Screw ya, screw. Shoot me, shoot. Ooh, your boy. No pussy test. I owe your pussy. No pussy test. I owe your pussy. No pussy test. I owe your pussy. No pussy test. Come chat to my Jose. No pussy test. Hey, you're a bad man. No pussy test. Hey, you're a bad man. No pussy test. Hey, you're a bad man. No pussy test. Hey.
The clot. Vybz Kartel music.
Vybz Kartel representing for Caution Beat, the man that run the motherfucking street.
Caution Visuals. Big up yourself, Caution Visuals. We expect nothing but quality work from the teacher, so you don't know say him not gonna approve of a video if you're not happy with it. So the video bad, the storyline, like I said, I'm not reacting to when I say because I'm reacting to that in the audio already. I was more reacting to the storyline and wagwan in the visual, you see me? I had a feeling that we would have got a visuals for this, and we did get a visual. So, Gaza fans, don't fret. The video soon drop. One sticker bet. What? Yo, big up Gaza fans, man. This bad, visuals bad. Great work as usual. Big up the actors them in this. Big up the G them where make an appearance. Whether you get gunshot or you get the gunshot, big up on yourself. Sorry. Like I said, big up Caution Visuals. You see me? Yeah, great work. Big up the edit team, the team behind the project, you know? Yeah, big up on yourself, dog. But anyway, king of the dancehall, what can I say? Not much. Nothing much to say. You know, me say it already. Big up on yourself. This time I'm going to leave the one. If you enjoyed that one, I want to see more, leave a like on the video. Subscribe around here if you're new. And I will see you in the next one. For definite. Peace.